What's up guys, it's K with 3D Printing Technology. For this video, I'm going to be going over 3D printed car parts. This will be sort of a 3D printing car parts 101 or an intro to 3D printing car parts. This will be kind of like a stepping stone to go in depth in future videos of 3D printing car parts. So for the most part, car parts will probably need to be printed in a high temp or strong semi-flexible filament. If it's going to be an exterior part like a bumper or even an engine part. For the interior parts, like maybe a steering wheel modification or some interior button pieces or something like that, that could probably be okay with PLA or PETG filament, and those pieces can probably be printed with a desktop size 3D printer. But for the engine parts or exterior parts, it's probably going to have to be a very big printer, maybe like a black belt 3D printer or minimum a Thingiverse tornado sized 3D printer. Something that has an enclosure or that can print in high temperature to prevent ABS warping or other materials like that. So there's three areas for the car. The interior, which is like the seats, steering wheel, dashboard. Exterior, wheels, emblems, side panel, headlights, and then under the hood, intake, manifolds, engine parts, oil caps, stuff like that. And for under the hood, there's really three types of 3D filament that you could use: ASA, carbon fiber, or ABS. And then for the exterior and interior, you could probably get away with PETG or PLA filament, depending on the part usage and how much force and wear and tear is going to be applied to it. Here is an example of a piece that could potentially be used as an exterior part. It's made of PETG filament. Although this one did not finish in time for this video, it's still a decent example. PETG filament is a lot more heat resistant and made for outside purposes than PLA. I wouldn't mind getting a ABS or ASA type filament for this part, but this one could potentially be used. Still a few more wear and tear tests that would need to be done. See if it holds up or just googling it. So here's a DIY F1 steering wheel faceplate. This is found on Thingiverse. Here's the info. I decided to print this one in PLA since it's an interior part and it won't be exposed to the weather as much. If we have to, we can always 3D print it in PETG or ABS, but I think PLA will hold up. Don't quite have time to 3D print the rest of the parts for this kit. That may be a future video or some Instagram post later on, but this gives an idea of what it looks like. Anyways, that's going to wrap up the video for this week. If you like this video and want to see you like this video first, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.